Hey, what's up, fellas? This is I Tried It at Home. This is a quick update on some things that happened to me over the weekend. I have a 2016 Cadillac Escalade, and it all of a sudden at Walmart lost power to the whole car. The whole entire car just shot down, lost power. I was only able to find one video on it, and it was very unclear. So apparently, when you're in your and it's a issue with GMCs and stuff like that. Cars that look like Cadillacs or were made by Cadillacs. I'm assuming that's GM. It's an electrical problem, and this right here is the culprit. All right, so I had no power to my car, none whatsoever. Got into the car, it wouldn't crank, it wouldn't start, it wouldn't turn over, it wouldn't do anything. No radio, no lights, no nothing. I was fiddling with this at first, this little box, and when I went under here, it was not coming off. Well, that's the post, the positive post. That's the negative post. This is the battery. The positive post, the negative post, and this is, as you can see, it gives me nothing. Okay. So I removed that, and this is what I got. Right? It's some type of relay or something. I'm not very mechanical, but apparently this right here is loose. I was able to wiggle that a little bit, and I heard a chirp chirp, and the power came back on. The lights came back on inside the car, and I was able to crank up the car and return home from Walmart. I was able to crank up the car, and like I said, return home from Walmart. But this cord right here, you wiggle. If that ever happens to you, and you can't get in, no powers to your GM car or vehicle or your Cadillac, you come by, you check the battery. They mentioned these posts right here and some stuff online, but it's this one because it controls the I guess relay. The power relay. So there you go. There you go. That's how you check and see if the power is on in your car. And there we have it. Oh, it will. And once you get it and you start driving, this is what was weird to me. Once you get in, you start driving. All right, it's gonna say roll down your driver's window. Oh, you know what? Because it was a recreated test, it won't say roll down your driver window to reset it. But that's it. This is I Tried It at Home. You know how to find me.